जय हिंद। इस वीडियो में हम लोग सेकेंड चैप्टर के कुछ पहले वाले शुरुआती वाले टॉपिक को देखेंगे। सबसे पहले हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिफरेंस को देखेंगे। हमें पता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक कंजर्वेटिव फील्ड है। इस वजह से अगर आप किसी भी पॉइंट चार्ज को एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन तक आप ले जाएंगे तो आपको वर्क करना पड़ेगा, और ये वर्क पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, एडिशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के फॉर्म में स्टोर हो जाएगा। इज इट ओके? सो फर्स्ट ट्राई टू कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिफरेंस ऑफ अ चार्ज q between positions b and a. Is it okay? Means we have to calculate the work done in carrying the charge q from b to a against the electrostatic force. So see the direction of electrostatic force, Fe is towards right. Here we have taken both positive. Source charge is positive and this test charge is also positive. While the external force to carry the charge towards left, it is towards left, F external. Is it okay? Since we want to carry the charge without acceleration, this is why, because if you carry it with acceleration, there will be increase in kinetic energy, and then in that case the work done will be equal to the sum of change in potential energy plus sum of change in kinetic energy. Is it okay? So here since we want to calculate the change in potential energy only, therefore we have to carry the charge without acceleration. So first we calculate the small work done, because this force is not constant, it vary with the distance. So first we calculate the small work done, dw, in carrying the charge q through a small distance dr. This will equal to F external dot dr. Okay, and since F external is exactly equal and opposite to electrostatic force, we can write as it is equal to minus Fe dot dr. Now the total work done in carry the charge from B to A, integration of F external dot dr from B to A is equal to minus Fe dot dr from B to A. Okay, Fe is the electrostatic force. Is it okay? So if UA is the potential energy at point A and UB is the potential energy at point B, then UA minus UB, it will be equal to the work done in carrying the charge from B to A, and therefore the difference in the potential energy of this charge small q at two positions A and B, it will be equal to minus B to A, integration Fe dot dr. Is it okay? Now suppose if you consider ub as 0, okay, means b is taken as the point of reference as infinity, then what will happen? Then this change will be equal to ua minus potential energy at infinity, and it can be taken as 0. Okay, when we want to calculate the potential energy, we can choose any point, any position of reference where potential energy is 0. It depends on your reference. Okay, for convenience we choose electrostatic potential energy at infinity as 0. It is also because at infinite separation the interaction between two charge becomes 0. There is no force of interaction between two charges when separated by infinite distance. So in that case the difference will be the potential energy at A. Therefore the potential energy of a charge at any point A is the work done in carrying the charge from infinity to that point. Is it okay? This is by definition of potential energy. The potential energy at any point is the work done in carrying the system from a position of reference to the that special position. Is it okay? So we can write the expression as w infinity a is equal to infinity to a माइनस इंटीग्रेशन माइनस एफ ई डॉट डी आर. बी के जगह पे आपने इन्फिनिटी रख दिया है. सो यू ए माइनस यू बी मीन्स यू ए माइनस यू infinity is equal to minus infinity to a integration f e dot dr. So since u infinity is 0, therefore potential at a can be written as minus integration Fe dot dr from infinity to A. So this is the formula for the electrostatic potential energy at point A of charge small q. Is it okay? Now what will happen if you carry a unit positive charge? Then in that condition the work done will set to be potential energy at that point, electric potential at that point. So let us consider electric potential difference. Electric potential difference between 2 points is defined as the work done in carrying unit positive test charge from B to A without acceleration. Okay, from B to A. बस ये ध्यान देना है कि when you want to define electrostatic potential difference or electrostatic potential, in that condition we have to carry unit positive test charge. Is it because this is the characteristics of point, not the charge. Is it okay? Not the charge that we are carrying. It is the characteristics of the point where we want to calculate the electrostatic potential. So the if WBA be the work done in carrying small positive charge Q naught from point B to A, then the potential difference between A and B can be written as VA minus VB is equal to WBA by Q naught, where WBA is the work done in carrying the Q naught from B to A. So it is this is the formula, basic formula for the electric potential difference between 2 points A and B. It is a unit is joule per coulomb, joule for work and coulomb for charge. It can be written as volt, and the dimension formula is this: work done ml2t minus 2 divided by AT for charge. So you can calculate here. Is it okay? Now if we take this VB at infinity, B point as infinity, then the potential at B can be taken as 0. Okay, so this WBA can be written as W infinity A. Okay, W infinity A divided by Q naught. This is the work done in carrying the charge Q naught from infinity to A. Okay, and it will be obviously V equal to VA minus VB, where VB is equal to 0 as B is taken at infinity. So the electric potential at any point is defined as the work done in carrying unit positive test charge from infinity to that point. Okay, the electric potential at a point is defined as the work done in carrying a unit positive test charge from infinity to that point. So if WBA be the W infinity A be the work done in carrying the charge Q naught from infinity to A, then the potential at A is equal to W infinity A divided by Q naught. It is again joule per coulomb unit, scalar quantity, dimension formula ml2t minus 3 A minus 1. Is it okay? One thing you should keep in your mind that suppose there are 2 points at different potentials. When they are connected, the flow of charge, whether the flow of charge takes place or not, it will be determined by the difference in their potentials. Okay, so the potential difference is important for the flow of charge between 2 points. Okay, but what will be the direction of flow of charge? In which direction the positive charge will flow? It will be determined by the electric potential of the point. Okay, the positive charge always flow from a body at higher potential to the body at lower potential, to the body at higher potential to the body at lower potential. Accordingly, the negative charge will flow from a body at लोअर पोटेंशियल टू द बॉडी एट हायर पोटेंशियल. सो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ये बताएगा कि दोनों पॉइंट्स को कनेक्ट करने पे चार्ज का फ्लो होगा कि नहीं होगा, और इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल बताएगा कि चार्ज का फ्लो किस डायरेक्शन में होगा. इज इट ओके? Now electrostatic potential due to a point charge. Suppose a charge Q is given and we want to calculate electric potential at a distance small r from this Q at a point P. Okay, so the electrostatic force on unit positive charge when placed at any intermediate point P dash can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r dash square. This is along r because this q is positive. We have taken q is positive, and this the charge, positive charge, which is also positive. Unit positive charge that we are carrying from infinity to point P, it is also positive. So the due to the force of repulsion and the magnitude is given by this formula. Okay, now the small work done against this force, okay, the small work done against this force means the work done by the external force is in moving the positive test charge, unit positive test charge through a small distance dr dash. It can be written as force 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r dash square into distance dr dash. Okay, here we have kept a negative sign. This shows that if डी आर इज नेगेटिव, देखिए यहाँ पे आर इस डायरेक्शन में बढ़ रहा है, तो अगर आप इधर से जाके वापस उल्टा आ रहे हो यानी कि जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट है वो नेगेटिव हो गया। तो अगर आर डी आर डैश नेगेटिव है तो डी डब्ल्यू पॉजिटिव होगा। पॉजिटिव वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, वी आर डूइंग वर्क, सो दिस टेकन इज पॉजिटिव। अगर ये डी आर निगेटिव है तो इसका मतलब इधर जा रहा है वो, सॉरी, अगर डी आर ये पॉजिटिव है इसका मतलब ये इधर जा रहा है पार्टिकल, तब वो वर्क डन क्या होगा, निगेटिव होगा। ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड उसको अपनी ओर खींच रही है, अपने डायरेक्शन में लेके जा रही है, तो वर्क डन निगेटिव होगा। सो हेयर सिंस वी आर कैरिंग द यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, सो डी आर इज नेगेटिव एंड दैट केस डब्ल्यू इज positive. So for this we have kept here negative sign, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r dash square force and the distance dr. This is the small work done. So what is the total work done in moving the charge from infinity r dash infinity to r dash r? It can be written as integration minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r dash square, ध्यान रखिएगा r dash square है, dr dash from infinity to r. सो ये कांस्टेंट 1 बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट और क्यू बाहर आ जाएंगे, माइनस बाहर आ जाएगा। 1 बाई आर डैश स्क्वायर का आप इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो माइनस 1 बाई आर डैश आ जाएगा। इसको आप लिमिट रखोगे इन्फिनिटी और आर का, पहले अपर लिमिट रखते हैं। सो दिस विल बी माइनस एंड माइनस विल कैंसिल आउट, 1 बाई आर माइनस 1 बाई इन्फिनिटी, 1 बाई इन्फिनिटी विल बी 0, so simply 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is the work done in carrying unit positive test charge from infinity to point r. By definition it is the potential at point P. So the potential at distance r, at position r, due to q charge is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, so it is clear that for single point charge v is proportional to 1 by r, while the electric field was proportional to 1 by r square. Is it okay? So sometimes this graph is asked, plot a graph to show the variation of electric field and electric potential due to single charge with the distance from the charge. So आप इस तरीके से ग्राफ बना सकते हैं, it is also given in NCERT. यहाँ देखिए आप, दिस E it varies as 1 by r proportional to 1 by r square and V varies as proportional to 1 by r. एक ये इस पॉइंट पे ये एक दूसरे को कट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि 1 पॉइंट पे जब डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू 1 होगी, यूनिट होगी, तो 1 बाई आर की भी वैल्यू और 1 बाई आर स्क्वायर की वैल्यू, दोनों की वैल्यू यूनिट ही आएगी, इसलिए यहाँ पे दोनों कट कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और पोटेंशियल के मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द electric potential due to a point charge. Okay, so please comment on it.